Well, I'm finally getting around to installing some power pads on my MSP. Now I'm going to be installing these type, and I'm sure all you guys have seen these before. I'll put a link down below where I think you can still buy these from Amazon, but I think you'll probably pay maybe a premium if you buy them there. I'm sure you can find these. Now these were given to me by Melody. Thanks again, Melody. She's a local rider in Southern California, and they just weren't comfortable for her. Now I have ridden a couple wheels with the guys have these on, and I liked them, so I thought I would give them a try. Now, of course, since she already installed this, and can't remember, she has multiple wheels, which one she had used this on, but she saved me a lot of time by already applying the Velcro on the pads themselves. So I just need to install it on the wheel, and I can slap the pads on. I like to use industrial strength Velcro for these kind of applications. Now the actual Velcro itself I don't think is different than what you typically find in the stores. Of course, you can also find this wide, different sizes. This is 2-inch wide. But what really makes this stuff industrial is the adhesive on the back. It'll stick to just about anything, and it's super strong. First thing to do is remove the pads. It will save these. You never know. And that's it. Pretty easy to install. And once I get the final fitment after riding it for a while, I'll probably maybe add some more bits of Velcro just to firm it up a little more. But this stuff is pretty tight as it is. It's just a little loose around the perimeter, so I'll probably add a little bit more. All right, guys, get out there and add some power pads to your wheels. See you later.